Hello, and welcome to a hubgrass magical meditation. Today I've got for you a 10-minute loving kindness meditation. So before we begin, just find a comfortable seat, somewhere that you feel comfortable, where you can sit up straight or lay down. As long as your spine is straight, you can stay alert and not go to sleep, and we'll begin. So when it feels comfortable to do so, you can close your eyes or look down at any object in front of you or at the end of your nose. And we're going to go ahead and start by just taking a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And one more deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And now that our breathing is just back to normal, we're going to start to focus on our favorite Disney feeling or memory or character, song, movie, your favorite Disney thing of all time. For me, it was my first time seeing Fantasmic in person in Disney World. To this day, that's one of my favorite memories. So I'm gonna bring that energy and all of those warm, fuzzy feelings that show gives me here today. It could even be your favorite Disney movie, the first time you ever heard We Don't Talk About Bruno from Encanto. Whatever your favorite memory is, bring it to your heart center and just really focus on all those warm, fuzzy feelings that Disney magic gives you. We're just going to sit with that for just a few moments and really, really focus on your favorite thing right now. Everyone should probably have a big smile on their face in this moment, thinking about their favorite thing. And while we're sitting with those really fun feelings, we're just going to make sure that we're heavy in our seat. Bring our shoulders down away from the ears. Relax all those micro movements around the eyes. Make sure that your jaw is not tight. We're not clenching at all. Unstick the tongue from the roof of your mouth. And really relax that point in between your eyes where we all hold so much tension. And now that we've sat with those warm, fuzzy feelings for just a few minutes, we're going to really start to focus on sending those amazing feelings to our favorite person. And that could be a pet, a significant other, a mom, a dad, a friend, anyone that makes you feel warm and safe. And just send them all of those amazing memories and feelings that your favorite Disney movie, character, song, whatever it is, gives to you. Really just focus on sending them all of that love. Like I said, it's okay if you've got a big smile on your face right now. That is totally understandable. Now, as we begin to feel even heavier in our seat and even more relaxed, we're going to bring to mind those super fun feelings again, just to our heart center. We're going to focus now on trying to send all of those amazing, fun feelings to ourselves. Because sometimes we can be very hard on ourselves. And so we just want to send ourselves that amazing, warm, fun, fuzzy energy. Just send it to yourself. And if it doesn't feel comfortable to do so, that's okay. Just thinking about it is a great first step. Now, if your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Just gently bring it back and focus again on that movie, song, memory, whatever it is. It could be walking down Main Street, USA in Disneyland. It could be watching any Disney movie for the first time with your family. It could be playing any game with your family. It could be the ending of your favorite Disney movie. To this day, Beauty and the Beast still brings tears to my eyes because of how beautiful that ending is. Whatever those feelings are, focus on bringing all of that love and energy just to yourself. So now that we've created all those warm, fuzzy feelings that you've sent to yourself and your favorite person, I want you to think of that person that just drives you a little crazy. Maybe that person that makes life just a little bit harder, just like Pete does for Mickey. And we're gonna send that person all of those warm, fuzzy feelings we've sent ourselves and our favorite person. We're gonna send those right along to them. Sometimes this is not the easiest thing, but it's the right thing to do. And we're just going to sit with that and focus on that person and send them all those amazing, warm feelings. And now that we've sent those feelings to ourselves, our favorite person, our not so favorite person, we're gonna send it to everyone. Think of all the people out there meditating with you right now and send them all those amazing, warm, fuzzy Disney feelings and just send them all that magic right now. And just sit with that. Take a deep breath in and out through the mouth. And now, if it feels comfortable to do so, bring your hands to your heart and just give yourself a little thank you for spending 10 minutes in a loving kindness meditation. And when it feels right, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this loving kindness meditation today. If you liked this video, please like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. And I would love to hear from you what your favorite Disney memory, movie, song, character, whatever it was that you were thinking of during this meditation, please comment it down below. I would love to hear that from you. And I'll see you real soon.